All right, I'm going to show you what slide masters are. Basically, just imagine that everything you're looking at here, except for maybe the text, is behind glass. So like the basketball court, the floor is behind glass. I would say also this line down here is also behind the glass and I can't get to it. The only thing I can change here would be like, I can move the text box around. I can work with this stuff. I can work with this. I can work with my images that I put in here, but I can't get to that line. So when we use the slide master, it's basically what's behind the slide. Now there are all kinds of different types of slides, meaning that, there's some that have, a left, right, some of them have a graphic built in. So if I insert a new slide, where am I at? Oh, here we go. Let's just do it this way here. Insert new slide, and see I have all these different types, content with caption, all that stuff. I can create my own too. I'll put one in just for fun. I put this one that has like one that you put a picture in, and then this one over here with the basketball court. I wonder if that line, in re in retrospect, if it's just basically the lines on the floor, but we'll find out. So actually, just I'm going to pause this for a second. All right, so when you work with the Slide Master, like I said, you're looking behind the glass here. So let's say I wanted to put maybe a logo that'll appear on all these slides of this type. Hopefully I'm not confusing it with this, but when I go into Slide Masters, into View and Slide Master, this is what it's going to look like for the different types of slides I have. Now, not the different slides, but the different types. So the ones I had been using all along, I think were these ones here, just basically a regular, well, it might have been this one, I don't know. I took some stuff out, but here we had like footer and stuff and the date, so that's stuff that would appear automatically. But because I'm in the Slide Master view, if I insert, I don't know, let's just say it was a logo or something, I'm just going to put a little shape. All right, so that's on my Slide Master, I believe, yeah. And when I turn her off, when I'm out of Slide Master, so I'm just going to add, okay, I'm out of Slide Master, so I go to Slide Master and close the master view. Now when I add one of those types of slides, insert new slide, whoops, that one when I go down, notice how it has that little shape that I put in. This could have been the logo for the Rimouski team, but every time I do that, I can't get behind this thing. It's behind the glass now. See, I can't move this. It's where I wanted it to be for whatever reason. So I can do this with text that I want to have appear on every slide, and so on and so forth. So what you're going to do when you do that assignment is you're going to get behind, you're going to see how that, basically you go through that assignment that's on that GCF Learn free site. You follow those instructions, but then if by chance something's in the way, like something that should be moved along somewhere, maybe right behind a text all the time and you don't want it to be there, then you would go into View, Slide Master, and then you'd move whatever it is to somewhere where it's not going to interfere with everything else. And that's it. You close the master view, and that's how it works. Hit me up tomorrow if you don't quite get it, and maybe I can use the actual example to show you.